The Rivers State Police Command has recorded a major breakthrough in its fight against kidnapping and violent crimes after arresting 5 suspected members of a kidnapping syndicate allegedly operating within parts of the state. The arrest followed a coordinated intelligence-led operation carried out by operatives of the Oyibo Divisional Police Headquarters after directive from the Rivers State Commissioner of Police, Olubenga Adepoju, to intensify efforts against criminal networks responsible for insecurity in the state. The development has drawn attention as communities across Nigeria continue to demand stronger action from security agencies over rising cases of kidnapping, armed robbery, and other violent crimes. According to the police, the arrested suspects were allegedly involved in kidnapping activities targeting communities within Oyibo local government area and neighboring areas. The spokesperson for the Rivers State Police Command, ASP Blessing Agebe.
I am ASP Agabe Blessing Kabolo, the Police Public Relations Officer for Rivers State Police Command. This is a case of the arrest of suspected kidnapping syndicates. The name of the suspects are 1 Ezekiel Emmanuel, 1 Chukuma Mbanefo, 1 Nicholas Diala, 1 Ndubisi Uwakwe. Let's hear from the suspects. What's your name?
My name is Ezekiel Emmanuel.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Benue State.
What brought you here?
I be kidnapper. I get one girl where I kidnap. Now the matter na carry me come here so.
Around where did you kidnap her?
And now for Obibo, we go wait when you get lonely road way there. When person they waka they come there, they will carry am enter inside bush. Now that place where they operate.
How many people have you kidnapped so far?
And it's up to 6 people.
How long have you been in this business?
And it's January last year.
How much have you made so far?
300,000 since what they do.
What's your name?
Ndubisi Uwakwe.
How old are you?
49 years.
Where are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
What brought you here?
A kidnapper.
What is your own role?
If they go carry come, now we the monitor am for there with the keeper.
What is the name of your partners?
Okay, choose to be wise, tallest, OC, and Kumandelo.
How do you operate?
We dey waka for road, the gate road where we road in near bush. If we dey for that road, we dey waka. Anybody wey we see, we catch am.
Which road?
Na pipeline road.
How many people have you kidnapped so far?
Like 4 people.
How long have you been doing this business?
You never reach 3 months.
How much have you made from it?
I never make big money. I only 250.
What's your name?
Ifeanyi Nwankwo,
How old are you?
51 years,
Where are you from?
Imo State.
What brought you here?
I'm a kidnapper.
What's your mode of operation?
So we need to carry people from road.
Which road?
Obibo, pipeline.
Explain how you people kidnap them.
If they are coming on the road, they will not kidnap them and bring it to the boss. I'm the one to guide them.
What is your role?
It's to guide them.
How many people have you people kidnapped so far?
So at least my 3 times now.
What are the names of your partners?
Ezekiel, Oyame, BYC, BY, and me, Ifeanyi Nwankwo.
How much have you made from this kidnapping business so far?
The money they are giving me is 115,000.
How long have you been in this business?
This is my 2 months now.
What's your name?
My name is Chukuma Mbanefo,
How old are you?
51 years old,
Where are you from?
from Anambra State.
What brought you here?
Kidnapping case.
What's your role?
My lord is a go and bring food and give this man.
What is his name?
Nicholas Diala,
How many times have you bought food for them?
2 times,
How much have you made so far?
5,000 naira.
What's your name?
Nicholas Diala,
How old are you?
65 years.
Where are you from?
I'm from Imo State.
What brought you here?
Kidnapping case.
What is your role?
I buy rice and give to the kidnapping people.
How long have you been doing this?
It's only two months.
How much have you made from it?
3,005.
Police authorities said preliminary investigation revealed that the suspect allegedly participated in kidnapping operation carried out in communities including Kumkum, Railway, Ubema, and Afam. The command said the arrest was made possible through intelligence gathering and tactical operation designed to track criminal elements and disrupt their activities. According to police authorities, some of the suspects allegedly made useful statements during interrogation, providing investigators with information that could help expose the wider structure of the criminal network. However, the police said investigations are still ongoing with efforts underway to identify and arrest other suspected members of the syndicate who are currently at large. The arrest comes amid growing concerns over the activities of kidnapping groups across Nigeria, where criminal gangs have continued to target communities, travelers, and residents for ransom. Security agencies have faced increasing pressure to improve intelligence gathering, strengthen community cooperation, and prevent criminal groups from establishing operational bases. In Rivers State, kidnapping and violent crimes have remained major security concerns, especially in areas where criminal groups attempt to exploit difficult terrain and isolated communities. Authorities have repeatedly stated that intelligence-led policing remains one of the most effective ways to identify criminal networks before they carry out attacks. The Rivers State Police Command said it remains committed to working with residents and other security agencies to improve safety across the states. The Commissioner of Police, Olubenga Adeboju, has praised officers involved in the operation and reaffirmed the command's determination to ensure that criminals have no safe place to operate. But while the arrest of the suspected kidnappers represents a major development, security analyst says sustained operation will be necessary to prevent criminal groups from reorganizing after their members are arrested. Beyond the kidnapping arrest, the Rivers State Police Command also announced the arrest of a suspected member of a one-chance robbery syndicate operating in Port Harcourt. The suspect, identified as 27-year-old Frank Kingsley, was arrested near the Air Force flyover during a police operation on Sunday night.
Bring that here. They for first touch this boy. I said touch away. They not be this boy. They not be this for them to be your phone is ringing. Pick your phone. Call your family. Look at the guy. Look at the guy. Are you?
According to the police, preliminary investigations indicate that Kingsley is allegedly linked to a criminal gang involved in one-chance robbery activities within the city. One-chance robbery has become a serious concern in many Nigerian cities, where criminals often use vehicles to deceive passengers before attacking them and stealing their belongings.
People operate.
How we used to operate, we three we go sit down at the back as a passenger. I will sit down with these women. So the driver will sit with one of our colleagues for front. So when they carry anybody, that whole phone, it will start going. When they go, now you go now tell the person, say, lock this door well, that the door is not well locked. So when the person now lock the door, the person in the front go put in hand, say, it don't jam my hand, don't jam my hand. We shouting my hand, my hand, my hand. So in that process, the other person sitting with the passenger will get chance now to remove his phone or his money from his pocket. That is how we used to operate. Or we now tell you, say, go and put your bag for boot. When you put the bag for boot, we that sit at the back will now bring the bag and search it. If there is any important thing, we will now take it and put it back and drop the person. Tell the person, say, no space, it should go another motor.
So what do you people do to victims that you don't collect anything from them?
We drop them, they will go. We don't hurt them.
How long have you been doing this business?
I've been to the business for 2 months now, a month and a half.
How many persons have been your victims?
I can't really remember, but it's up to 5 people who don't collect their phones or more than.
How much have you made from this business so far?
The highest money they give me is 25,000 naira.
What is your sharing formula?
Okay, now the owner and the oga go now tell us, say, you will call me, say, well, send the account. I will send the account. You now say, okay, the money is 40,000, your share will be 5,000. You will send that to me. That's how I send the money to everybody.
What are the names of your partners?
Emeka, Mina, Ushe, and this lady, I forget her name. The other woman, oga wife, I don't know that one also name. Amaka.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling bad, man.
What will you say to the members of the public out there?
I'll say sorry to them, because if I come out of this one, I will not do that again, please.
What's your name?
Nkechi Amade.
How old are you?
42 years.
Where are you from?
I'm from Imo State.
What brought you here?
I dey do one chance.
How do people operate?
When we carry person inside motor for the front of the vehicle, we go tell them make you shift chair. If you shift the chair, for the person to shift the chair, she will collect her bag, check. If something dey inside, we go either to collect phone or we collect money. If something no dey inside, we go drop am, she go go.
How long have you been doing this business?
1 month and
What are the names of your partners?
the other one na Joy. The other one na Emeka and Uche and me, Nkechi, and one of us. I don't forget the name of that one.
How many victims so far?
I no go fit count. If I say may I count how many people don't chop, I mean lie. I no go fit count.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10, how many?
Let me say, if you, on Monday like this, if you come out on Monday, you chop 2 people or 3 people, you go that day, you know come out again. Other one go come out either Saturday or Friday. You collect 2 phone or 3 phone, you go. That's how we do.
So what do you do with these phones?
Na person wey get the motor dey sell am, no be me dey sell am.
How much have you made from this business so far?
Wetin I made for the business na 100,000.
Since you started? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm feeling bad. I'm sorry.
What will you say to the members of the public out there?
So I'm sorry. I will not do it again.
The police spokesperson said the suspect provided useful information during interrogation, which is assisting investigators in efforts to arrest other members of the alleged criminal group. She added that police operations are ongoing to recover more stolen items and bring additional suspects before the law. The command said the suspect will be charged to court once investigations are completed. Meanwhile, Rivers State Police authorities have also launched an investigation into the mysterious death of an unidentified middle-aged man whose body was discovered on the Obirikwere flyover in Port Harcourt. The discovery was made on Saturday, with officers immediately responding and beginning investigations into the circumstances surrounding the incident. ASP Blessing Agebe said the body was evacuated and deposited at a mortuary for preservation and further examination. She explained that detectives are working to establish the identity of the deceased and determine the cause of death. According to the police, no relative or family members has come forward to identify the victim. The command has appealed to members of the public who may have information about the disease or details that could assist the investigation to contact the nearest police station. The series of incidents highlights the different security challenges facing Rivers State, from organized kidnapping networks to street-level criminal activities. Experts say addressing insecurity requires more than arrest alone, stressing the importance of intelligence sharing, community involvement, improved surveillance, and effective prosecution of suspects. For many residents, the latest arrest provides some hope that security agencies are making progress in confronting criminal groups operating in the states. However, questions remain over whether the operation will lead to the complete dismantling of the network responsible for kidnapping and robbery activities. The police have assured residents that investigations will continue and that all suspects linked to criminal activities will be pursued. As the command expands its operation, authorities are urging communities to remain alert and continue providing credible information that can help security agencies prevent attacks and arrest criminals. What do you think about this latest police operation in Rivers State? Do you believe stronger intelligence gathering can help end kidnapping and violent crime in Nigeria? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to First Next News Nigeria for more breaking news, security updates, and major stories from Nigeria and all around the world. I'm Chidera Esom. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next reports.